A former Aspinwall resident will appear in federal court tomorrow on charges stemming from a terrorism investigation. Tonight, we're learning more about the suspect and his wife. Ralph Iannotti is here with more. Ralph.
Yeah, thanks very much, Susan. The couple now at the center of this latest terrorism investigation once lived in Aspinwall. On the surface, it looked like they pretty much blended in with the community around them. Then they moved to Virginia last summer after the death of their only child.
21-year-old Sean Andrew Duncan, his 36-year-old wife Zakia, and their newborn baby lived on the third floor in this apartment complex in the borough of Aspinwall. Now, Duncan is facing federal charges involving his alleged ISIS connection.
They were actually pleasant, but they didn't go out of their way to talk to you. But if you saw them in the hall or anywhere, they did converse, and so did she.
Joan Slomer lived downstairs from Duncan's apartment until the couple moved to Virginia last summer, just days after the death of their 4-month-old son, Mohammed. The boy was taken to UPMC Children's Hospital where he died, and in the course of investigating what may have happened to him, Allegheny County Police checked things out at Duncan's apartment, including his cell phone.
Actually, I was just coming home from playing cards and all the cars were here, and then I found out that they had taken the baby to the hospital in an ambulance and that the baby died. And there were all kind of police cars and investigative reporters and things here. And the FBI, there was an FBI truck.
Last Friday, the FBI showed up at Duncan's Sterling, Virginia home and carried out boxes of potential evidence after charging him with obstruction of justice in a terrorism investigation. According to court documents, one of Sean's relatives reported that Duncan converted to Islam, may have been radicalized, and voiced approval of Westerners being beheaded in the Middle East. An FBI review of Duncan's phone revealed numerous searches for ISIS-related material, ISIS attacks, weapons, body armor, and defense tactics. And back in Aspinwall, meantime, the Duncan's former neighbor is left with lots of unanswered questions.
What I wonder is, why was he here to begin with? Why did he come to Pittsburgh and be in this building? If they were already planning something for around here, perhaps.
Now, the cause of the baby's death was never determined by the Allegheny County medical examiner. And according to our news partners at the Pittsburgh Post-Gazette tonight, Zakia Duncan worked as a doctor at UPMC. She has not been charged in this investigation. I'm Ralph Iannotti.